Good morning, everyone. Well, a few in the area saw rain yesterday, but most stayed dry. But for today and tomorrow, I think it's going to be the opposite. Most are going to see rain, and just a few are going to stay dry. But it is going to take a while for today's rain chance to begin. Look at 8 a.m. We're just talking about mostly sunny skies, temperatures in the mid-70s. But jump ahead to 2 o'clock this afternoon. Notice the cloud cover increasing, and it's about 2 o'clock that we'll start to see the first showers and storms pop up. But because no chance of rain until 2 o'clock this afternoon, it's going to be another hot one, topping out in the low 90s in most locations, which is certainly above normal for this time of year. Normal high temperatures are in the upper 70s, not record highs, but warmer than we'd like. And there's not going to be much wind today, so don't count on a breeze making it feel better. Winds are only going to top out around 10 miles per hour, with the exception if you get under a thunderstorm, then you could see gusts 30 to 40 miles per hour. But if not, winds around 10 miles per hour. Now, we're looking at 5 o'clock. I do think the peak of the showers and storms today are going to be in the late afternoon and early evening hours. So no chance of rain for the morning commute, but there is a chance of rain for the homebound commute. Now, scattered shower and storms, so you might get lucky on the drive home from work and miss out. But showers and storms will be around. The good news is, though, we're going to see heavy rain and lightning in spots today. No severe storms to worry about. And notice the chance for showers and storms continuing into the early evening hours as well. Particularly during early evening hours. I don't want to take out the chance of rain completely tonight, but if we're going to see showers and storms, it's more likely going to be early tonight than later. I do think the activity is going to die down, and really the chance for storms is going to go away after the early evening hours, but some stray showers could still linger. And a difference for tomorrow from today is I do have to mention that for tomorrow morning, there is a chance of rain. Now, I do think the peak tomorrow is going to be in the afternoon, but I've got to mention the chance for some isolated showers, maybe a lone storm out there for the morning commute. So, got to mention a chance of rain for the morning commute tomorrow, not today. And I do think at the very least there will be more cloud cover around. Notice 11 a.m. still just isolated activity though. But as we transition into the afternoon hours, particularly the late afternoon, here we are at 3 o'clock, but I bet the peak is going to be about 4, 5, 6 o'clock. The showers and storms are going up. And though a few could miss out, I think most are going to get in on the activity once again, topping out in the low 90s. Another day with above normal temperatures, and another day with not much wind, no more than 10 miles per hour. All right, let's talk about Friday evening plans. Again, the good news here is that I think we'll be past the peak. We're looking at 7 o'clock now, still isolated activity, but past that peak. And the later you're out Friday night, the smaller that chance of rain is going to be. So it's most likely that we're going to see rain early Friday evening, and I do think eventually we're going to dry out during the late evening hours. So got to mention a chance for Friday evening plans, but looking better than the afternoon hours. And good news for the weekend. Looking at Saturday and Sunday, I'm going to keep in a chance for a few showers both days, but not like today and tomorrow. We're not talking about scattered showers and storms, just a few stray showers, most staying dry, but above normal temperatures are going to continue. And finally, today is the first day of hurricane season. So for this week's episode of the Across the Sky podcast, it's all things hurricanes. We spoke with the director of the National Hurricane Center, and he shared his thoughts on what he expects for this season and hurricane seasons in the future. So if you have any interest in hurricanes or tropical storms, be sure to listen to the podcast below this video or wherever you get your podcasts.